where none of that stuff happened that one time. Man, it's cold out in this bitch. Oh shit, cuz. That's a motherfucker right there. That's a motherfucker eye right there, cuz. I'm about to blow these bitches away. Oh shit. Later, bozo.
¡Un forastero!
You just motherfucker play with me. Did y'all see me shoot the bitch out the air? Did you see me block that with the animation? Let your bitch ass. Let your bitch ass down. Let your bitch ass down. I ain't playing with y'all. No, shut your bitch ass up. Let your bitch ass. Kick your bitch ass. You don't wanna play with me. You don't wanna play with me. You really don't. Okay, that was me. Okay, we have an issue here. Okay, we have an issue here. We may have a slight issue here. You know. We may have to eat a whole fish. I'm gonna just eat that bitch. I'll be okay. Fuck. Shut your big ass. Your bitch ass up. I'll blow your bitch ass away. Blow your bitch ass down too. Blow your bitch ass down too. Blow your bitch ass. There you go. Bitch. I ain't gonna get this shit, you bitch. That motherfucker on my dick. Oh shit. That motherfucker on my dick. Hold on. I need to play this police officer.
Sir, please. Please, sir. Please. Jolly good, sir. Jolly good, Michael. Please, sir. Please. I know in the Middle East you do this. Please, sir. Please, sir. Would you please, sir? Please, sir. I don't have a gun. Please, sir. Please, sir. I wish I was in America.
Yeah, bitch asshole. Hell yeah, this motherfucker, I sell this for a bag of fentanyl, my brother George Floyd type shit.